So now I'm going to show you how to create gorgeous kind of high tumbling up-do. We're not using any padding, there's no elastic bands or anything in here, just a few pins, and it's going to look gorgeous and tousled and tumbling and beautiful. Get a handful of hair, just work with the curls, so you're kind of going to separate the hair where it wants to separate. Don't try and separate individual curls, and just get that handful of hair. Could get a little bit more hair, I think, maybe here. Just working with individual curls. As I say, we're not trying to separate the curls. So get the hair, put the hand on the head, wrap that around, pull it through, and create a really kind of tight twist in the hair. Now use a blonde pin just so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to slide a bobby pin at the back of that twist, like that, and it just gives a little bit of an anchor. And using one of your strong hairpins, go into the twist, come out again, and do your up and over. And go underneath. When you go back in this direction, just make sure you're going underneath the bobby pin. And then that doesn't move anywhere, and it's fabulously secure. Does it hurt? Is that painful at all?
No, that's
great. Always check with your client, and then you're just going to start pinning up sections of hair. So again, you can lift it up. So all this hair now here is nice and secure, and you're just going to go up, pick up some of the curls. So there's the section of hair. Go up and over that section and back in, and keep going into the hair, up and over and back in. And every now and again bring the hair down, just check you're happy with the shape, and I'm definitely happy with that shape. And we're going to leave some lovely curls tumbling down in the nape of the neck. Now I've been using blonde pins to show you what I've been doing, but really I'm going to go onto the black pins now. Really you want to use the dark pins so that they're completely hidden in the hair. Careful here, the hair's dark, the scalp's fair, so we don't want to leave any areas where the scalp is too visible. So just take your time. Use your up and over technique. So then from the front here, you've got these little bits where the scalp's a bit visible there, but remember we've got the hair here at the front that we can just bring over and cover. You could use your up and over, or you could use a bobby pin here and create your lovely tumbling up-do. Again, try not to separate the curls as you work your way around each section of hair. Now, if the curls are a little bit wayward at the front, don't worry. You can just put a little bit of water on them. Check with your client which curl she wants down and which curl she wants up. And then we could push it all a little bit further forward. It's actually quite easy to do that. If you just get a strong pin, push it forwards with your fingers, you're going to go kind of into the hair, do your up and over and come back again, and it just pushes the hair forwards just a little bit if you feel you want it all a bit lifted. I mean, you could actually, when you start the style, maybe do the twist a little bit higher, but if you get to this stage and you think you just want a bit further forwards, you can always just do that. Push the hair forwards, go in with your pin, do your up and over and come back on yourself, kind of like that along the scalp, so that the hair is held in that forwards position. And then give your hair a shake for me. Let's make sure it's all going to stay. Yeah, gorgeous.